Hi friends, this video shows how to delete connected camera from Canon Camera Connect app. Here I have opened this Canon Camera Connect app in this mobile phone. You can see this EOS R50 camera has been connected to this mobile phone using this Canon Camera Connect app. So I want to disconnect it and delete. So first we can disconnect. So before let me show that using this app we can control the camera, we can take photos, we can pull photos from camera, we can do a lot of operations. So I am going to disconnect it from this app. Select disconnect, then select yes. Okay, disconnected. Next I am going to delete it. Tap on these three lines on top right corner, then select checking and deleting registered cameras. Select this option, then tap on this delete button here, then tap on yes. Okay, done. Then go back. You can see that registered camera has been deleted from the Canon Camera Connect app. So this way we can delete registered camera from Canon Camera Connect app. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video.